Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to select an element with JavaScript. We can use ID, class name, tag name to select element or elements. We're gonna use the method document.getElementById to select the element h2 that has an ID title. We can change the title with JavaScript. Title.innerHTML equals list of colors. We can see that the title was changed. Next, we will select elements with a tag name. We're gonna create a variable for p elements. Document.getElementsByTagName. This time elements and not element like by ID. The ID is unique, but many elements can have the same tag name. The variable pel is an array of elements p. We can get the length of the array pel. We have 5 p elements. We can use index to select an element. We can change the text of the first p element. Its index is 0. We're gonna write blue on capital letters. We can see that the first paragraph was changed. Now we're gonna use JavaScript to change the color of the first p. Pel index 0 dot style dot color equal blue. The color of the first p element is blue now. We're gonna change the color of the third paragraph. Its index is 2. Pel2.style.color equal red. Next, we will select elements by class name. We're gonna change names of classes. The two first colors cold, the other colors warm. We're gonna create a variable cold to select elements by class name. We use document.getElements by class name, the name of the first class cold. We're gonna create a variable for elements that have a class warm. Document.getElements by class name warm. On console, we can see that cold is an array of 2 p elements and warm is an array of 3 p elements. We can use the index of an element to change its color with JavaScript. We're gonna change the color of the second paragraph. Cold1.style.color equal green. We're gonna change the color of the paragraph 4. The element yellow is in array warm. Its index is 1. Warm1.style.color equal yellow. With the first method, we can select one element by its ID. With the second method, we can select many elements by their tag name. With the third method, we can select many elements by their class name. There are other methods to select elements. The method document.querySelector to select one element, To select an element by ID, we add hashtag before the name of ID. We can change the text with this method. To select an element by its class, we add dot before the class. Query selector returns only one element. It returns the first element that has a class worm. If we want to select all elements that have a class worm, we use query selector all. We can use query selector and query selector all to select elements by tag name. We're gonna use query selector all to change the color of the last paragraph. We're gonna create a variable colors equal to document.querySelector all tag name p. The index of the last paragraph is 4. Colors for .style.color equal orange. I'm gonna zoom the page so you can see changes. Now we're gonna use query selector to change the color of the title. Document.querySelector hashtag title.style.color equal purple. This is the end of this video. We have seen how to select one element or many elements with JavaScript. Until the next time, take care.